welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products in my Instagram stories, and you all will have a chance to vote which one is your favorite. Also, keep on watching to find out how you can get featured in next week's video. Just a reminder, give this video a thumbs up. And now let's talk about the products. Now this week I have my Harley Quinn outfit on. Cute little dress. Got little fluffies down here. It's cute. Also I have orange and black for Halloween. Yeah. And yes, my hair is now colored. Yay! Got my teal in there. Looking beautiful. I used Guy Tang's color. Ocean Rain, I believe it's called. This week we had a video suggestion brought to you by my cousin. She sent me this video on TikTok. She probably just wanted to see me, but I was like, that's a great idea. So it's on Yashora's TikTok. I will post her name here, and I am sorry if I messed it up. But she mentioned in her video, why hasn't anybody talked about purple blushes? So let's talk about purple blushes. First one that was mentioned was Fenty Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream. This one is Drama Class. See the purple? See even more purple? Ooh. It is 0.10 ounces and it's around the product inside 3.0 grams. Sold, of course, at FentyBeauty.com and Sephora. The price of it is not so bad. It's around $20. Comes with a mirror and, of course, the purple stuff itself. And it should last you around 12 months. It is very tiny. I actually thought this was a sample size, but this is it. This is it. And of course, Fenty is usually cruelty-free and vegan. It is a fresh wash color, meaning you're supposed to be looking fresh, effortlessly blending, or should we say blendable, and of course water resistant and sweat resistant. Great. It is light as air and non-sticky or non-greasy. It should give life to all skin tones with a natural looking flush. You should also be able to use it very easily and not even overdo it. Enhance your skin with a sheer, youthful glow. And now for what's inside it. This is going to be a hard one for me because they're big words. First one is octododecanol. Second one up is isononol, isononanoate. And of course synthetic wax and silica silicate. I made it through. So this one, they do mention you can apply with your fingers if you're worried about that and you don't have a place to wash your hands or anything like that. Don't worry. You can just use a brush. I'm literally looking straight into the camera and this filter makes me look like I'm looking somewhere else. Ooh. Okay. I'm looking at you guys. Well, that's okay because you have to see my cheek anyways. So we are going to use a brush. And then we just dab on into it. And brush it on. There you go. Looking very lovely. Yes. If you want to use your finger and put it on your nose, that's okay too.
There you go. Oh. There you go. There we go.
And of course, they do recommend it to put on your lips. Not sure if you'll put purple on your lips, but if you want to, be very creative, have fun with it, and always remember it's just makeup. Don't worry. And as she said, don't be scared to try purple on your skin. Came out kind of nice. And who knows what kind of unique looks you can make with this purple. Purple eyeshadow, purple lips, purple eyes, maybe mix the color with something else. Just have fun. And of course, don't be scared to layer it on top of each other. Make it a little bit more vibrant. And then blend. Next one up is NudeStix Nudies Matte. This one is called Moodie Blu. Ooh. Yeah. So this is the tin inside it. If I could open it up, you have a mirror inside. And then you got this inside. Ooh. It is 0.25 ounces and 7 grams of product in here. Can be purchased at NudeStix.com and of course Sephora and even Ulta. It costs around $34, but that's probably because you're paying for the tin and the mirror and, oh yeah, the brush. There's a brush in here on the bottom. You can use it. You can twist it off and remove it and wash it, stuff like that.
Very nice.
Should last you 12 months and it is vegan, cruelty free, of course gluten free, sulfate free, and free of parabens and phthalates. Yes, and of course fragrance. Nudies blush is dual-ended and basically they are called coloring sticks. It is a multitasking balm to create a soft cheek or a creamy lip color or even as eyeshadow. Color on one side and a detachable blending brush on the other. Also very buildable. It is meant to look natural, flush and healthy or youthful. Love that word, youthful. It has dimethicone, polybutane, synthetic wax, kaolin, silica, and phenoxyethanol. So as they recommend, it can be used all over your face as a blush, like here, up here, anywhere you put blush or where you want to put blush. Also, you can use it as an eyeshadow and lipstick. Don't know why I almost forgot that one. So go ahead, take off the cap. It kind of is one of those like you twist and it comes up. Fun little tip, either move it directly or if you want to use this brush and pick it up. But I like to leave this on this side and just put here. Or of course, as they always say, you can use your fingers or maybe a totally different brush. That's up to you. I'm going to use it like this. Ooh, get the wonderful mirror and blend away. Now with this brush, you really got work in it. Yeah, there we go. I like to do little circles. You could just go ahead and start doing this as well. But my favorite for this kind of brush is a circle. There we go, looking lovely. Ooh, nice. Not sure if you could tell, but I do have foundation on already. That's right, I put foundation on my face today. Now after you're done, they highly recommend you taking a selfie. Cheese! And then post it, of course. And of course after that, they want you to tag them at NudeStix on Instagram or hashtag, you know, whatever you guys do on Instagram. Do your thing. Now for the results. And it is Fenty Beauty 100%. Woo woo! Yeah, congratulations Fenty Beauty. You are the winner. Of course, you are the most well known, the most popular, and the most reasonable price, I would say. It is very good. It came out very nice, very lovely. I do say so myself. A little bit more easier to control with your fingertips than just blotting it on the cheeks like this, but of course you don't have to do it that way. I think that's what's so great about these products is that they can be used in any way, shape, or form that you want to do. Just have fun with it, right? Remember, have fun with makeup. Now it's your turn. Which one do you like? Either the Fenty or the NudeStix? And comment below which one is your favorite, why you love it so much. Have you tried these products? Do you want to try these products? Let me know in the comics. I hardly read comic books anymore. I don't know why. Let me know in the comments below. And you can be featured in next week's video. We do have some features from last week that I do want to mention. Last week's video, it was about acne patches, so go check that out. We've got our first comment from Cheryl. She says, hope I can have it the Truly Superstar Acne Patches. Yes, I hope you guys get a chance to try it too. As I said, they are limited in stock. Also check your local Ultas. Get going. They might run out soon. My boyfriend's using them and they are working out pretty well. Second comment we have from Stephanie. I've only heard of Peace Out Acne Patches. Might try them. The Peace Out Acne Patches are probably the most popular ones. They sell them everywhere at Sephora. They have them stocked pretty good all the time. So yeah, if you haven't tried those out, I recommend those. Those are the ones that I use mostly on my skin.
They work out pretty well.
Alright, that's it. Thank you guys for watching and thank you guys for commenting. Those were really nice comments. I really do enjoy reading all your comments. It makes me very happy to know that you guys watched it and you guys actually wanted to say something to me, which makes me feel special. Thank you so much. And yeah, that's all. See you guys next week. Keep on loving makeup and keep on rocking. Bye.